all organizations that I will to the best of my ability preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the 5th schedule of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And in all circumstances, I will do right to all honor of people, according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Deputy Governor of Edo State, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Deputy Governor of Edo State.
I, Omobayo Godwin,
Do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will be faithful
that I will be faithful
and bear true allegiance
and bear true allegiance
to the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
to the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
that as the Deputy Governor of Edo State,
that as the Deputy Governor of Edo State,
I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability,
I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability,
faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
We have run a very interesting and eventful tenure since I took office in 2016. And by the grace of God, we have gained your trust to continue on our mandates for another term in 2020. But in all of this, at no point in this journey did I envisage that I will have to work with 2 deputy governors before the end of an 8-year tenure in office. But as the Bible says in Proverbs 16, verse 9, you may make your plans, but it is God that directs your actions. The executive arm of government in the last 2 weeks carried out its constitutional role of providing checks and balances to our democracy. And today, based on the outcome of the panels set up by the Chief Judge, the former Deputy Governor was impeached by the Edo State House of Assembly. As there can be no vacuum in government, we have, through consultations, selected Omobayo Marvelous to take over the baton as the Deputy Governor of our dear state. I am very pleased with our choice because he's a thoroughbred young professional. His choice will provide the impetus needed to rally around all interests and persuasions within the state to work more closely together in realizing our vision for a viable, strong, and prosperous states that will be the envy of all.